Instagram has given us an option to only see posts from your favorite accounts. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to get and use the Instagram Favorites feed. Now let's get started. To get the Favorites feed option, make sure you've updated your Instagram app to the newest version. Then open the Instagram app. Tap the Instagram logo in the top left corner. This will give you two feed options, Favorites and Following. To see recent posts from your favorite accounts, tap Favorites. To set up your favorites list, tap Add Favorites. Based on your activity on Instagram, the app will suggest some accounts they think you'll want to add to your favorites list. If there are any accounts selected that you don't want on your favorites list, tap Remove next to their username. To add additional users to your favorites, type in their name in the search bar at the top. Then tap Add next to their username. When you're finished, tap Confirm Favorites. Now you can easily browse recent posts from only your favorite Instagram pages. If you want to switch back to the normal Instagram feed, simply tap the Home button in the bottom menu to go back to the main feed that takes Instagram's algorithm into account. You can easily access your favorites feed again by tapping Instagram, then selecting Favorites. That's all it takes to get and use the Instagram Favorites feed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.